Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily fix the screen rotation not working in your ZTE Blade V70 Vita. Yeah, it's V70 Vita, not Ultra, pardon me, it's a mistake. So, the thing that we need to start with is to open the settings and go straight to the display. Here, now you need to scroll down till you see the auto rotate screen option. Tap it. Now, here make sure that this switch over here is enabled. If it is enabled, that's nice. If you had it enabled, toggle it off and on. Now, you need to just check if it does work. Here, here it doesn't, but for example in the Play Store, it should. As you can see here in the Play Store, it works. So what to do next if it still doesn't work for you? The thing you need to do now is to go straight to the application that has the test of the gyroscope in your device. So for example, here if you do have any compass application or something like that, just do so. Here we do have compass, so under the compass application, tap accept, tap while using the app, allow, use location, go back. Here, now tap calibrate. And now just do the geomagnetism calibration, and it doesn't really work like gyroscope, but it will use it uses gyroscope to calibrate that, so so just do. And now as you can see, we have our geomagnetic compass, and here the gyroscope should be used too. So if you see that it does work, that's nice. If it doesn't work, it means that your gyroscope is broken and you need your phone fixed. But if it works, to have your screen rotation working, hold the power button and volume up, click restart and restart your device. If you hadn't restarted it yet, this should help you. So, if it works for you, that's nice. If it still doesn't work for you, you need to know after the booting up your phone, you need to go straight to the settings back again. And let me show you one simple thing. Go to the settings, and now here you need to go all the way down. Here, system updates, system update. If you do have here any update, update your phone immediately. It's because you may fix your issue. Now actually, as you can see, I do have network enabled because I'm here after the booting up process, but in a moment I will have my internet connection. So here, if you do have any updates, update your device. Any fix here is just good. But if you don't have any updates, or if after an update nothing is working, we have one thing if you don't want to go to the authorized service and have your phone repaired. Of course, remember this is only a thing that bypasses this. You don't, and which not uses the auto rotate, but you can use some button to do so. Tap display. Here, scroll all the way down back again. Tap auto rotate screen. And now here, if you disable auto rotate screen, you have here screen rotation button. Enable that. And now here we do have, if we tilt our device, our phone should see. Wait a moment. I think my phone is too laggy for now. Here, as you can see, we do have with auto rotate screen turned off. If phone orientation changes, tap the button to rotate the screen manually. So let me, for example, go to the Play Store, back again, tilt my device, and here if you see this button, it means that you can change it. If you don't see this button, you need to contact device support and have your phone fixed, of course, because there is no way to bypass it. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye. Have a nice day.